Nice. Okay. This is this is a little rough. I'm running on one screen. Okay. But I've got sound. It looks like I'm going out. Chat rate 1. Ooh, I have one in chat. Who's that? Okay. Top chat. Let's do live chat, and we'll see if anyone else is out there. No. That's okay. Alright. We're going to go back to what I just had up here. Nice. Some of this is working. This is a work in progress. I'm not showing up on which one. Home. Here we go. Well, this test for coffee is not. Test for coffee 3 is not working as well as I was hoping it would. But I don't know. Maybe it is. I just keep, I don't know, got dead air, I'm not saying anything, I got a boring map up in front of everybody, and I'm trying to see if I have my stream running. Because, oh, there's 2 tests for copies, that's good. 6 and 3, your videos, live. Another test with my iPad. I don't know why those show up there. Go back. I want to go to my videos. No, not that one. Your videos. Oh. View channel. There we go. Hey, it does say I'm live. Nice. Oh, why do I have such interference on my microphone? Oh, that's a problem. Why do I have such interference on my microphone? All right. That's going to be a problem. So I guess I need to figure that out yet. Typically what I would do is this. I would hide this, let it redraw the screen. I'm going to come down here to Snapshot. That's a thing. I guess he's lower. I can raise this up a bit. This. And this. The edge. From the window to the wall. Yeah, well, that's good. And we're going to hit capture. And then I'm going to come down here real quick and catch it before it goes away. Yeah, now I've got 2 of them. Yeah, this will be interesting. Okay, so now we're ready to mark up. And I am going to go here and say, because I want to do it on my iPad. Hey, it shows up on my iPad. And guess what? Now I can look at Alright, well, I'm going to do another map here. I've already done once, or twice today. So, I'm going to do this quick one here, so I can get this system kind of calibrated. I do need to listen to the audio again. I put on my new wireless mic into the computer, and it's got a whole lot of fuzziness, and I'm not sure what the reasoning is for that. Otherwise, this is starting to work a little bit better. I'm down to one screen. I think I'll have to figure out something for the other screen. But this is the way I don't want to do it, partly, is I want to do a screen capture in the midst of everything so that I can use the markup tools to use my pencil and being an idiot. Yeah, I'm not talking again. I need to talk. This is going to be a new learning experience. The basics pieces I've used before, but there's been updates to the software, there's been updates to my hardware, and I'm trying to figure out what's going on with all this stuff. I was able to figure out that Rode Connect would allow me to stream out of that into OBS, which is great. But I don't know why I'm getting fuzziness on the microphones. So, oh, I have one microphone on. It's one microphone. But I've got a lapel mic. Well, not a lapel. No, yeah, it's kind of a lapel. They're a little big. But, so that's the basics of it. There's now, alright, so we'll say done. And there's the thing there. It's not the best, and it's not, it was just a quickie, so we'll just do the done. Now that we've looked at that, I'll just kind of show you with what SPC had at 1 o'clock Central Time, 18Z, and it is currently 2030 Z. It's 3:30 in the afternoon here in Texas. But that's the basic of, yeah, there you go. Big broad low here, a little bit of a trough, and then you've got the main front trying to come through. I always, let's take a look here. We can zoom in. Oops. I get used to using my Mac mouse again because I'm used to using the Windows mice at work, and they go the opposite direction. Alright, so the main thing I have with this is, I wouldn't call it a cold front, but I guess that's what they can do. Because the temperatures don't fall all that much on either side of it. And I guess they kind of do. They come back here, in here, yeah, alright, we'll call it a cold front. I'd almost say, now this is definitely a dry line that's coming through, because we have 60s over here, 2 points, and then it's 50, and then 30, and 46. There we go. So that's what we're looking at there. We've got the Weather Prediction Center trying to push that thing down. Oh, that's day 3. Let's go back here. Day 1, day 2. So this is today. Day 2, pushing it through us. Day 3, kind of lingering down in the Brownsville forecast area. Excessive heavy rainfall for today. Looks like this for South Texas. We're in at least half of the forecast area. Here, let's turn off the counties. So a little over half, almost 2/3 of the county warning area for Corpus Christi, which includes this pink area here, inside the pink lines, I should say. But this yellow is a slight risk. That means a 15% chance of exceeding flash flood guidance. I guess that's something I'll have to try to remember to do before I get on screen, is see what flash flood guidance is for the area. And then we have marginal at 5% for the rest of the area. We had quite a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, almost 1.5 inches of precipitable water. And then they've got Brownsville in a marginal tomorrow, and then day 3, so that's Sunday to Monday is clear. Monday to Tuesday continues to be good, and day 5, a little bit up there by the Houston area. And eventually I would talk about what is on the map here on Pivotal Weather, because, let's see, it says 12Z, so is that the latest? I'm assuming it's the latest, yes. 12Z run, okay. So here's the GFS this morning. Well, this is 18Z, so about an hour ago. Okay, now that I got this going, let's see if we can get moving here. Why is... Okay, well, there's that too. Why is... There we go. That's what I was hoping to get. Use my arrow key to move through. You can see it's kind of showery over the next 2.5 days. And then things go away from us for a bit, and then it's trying to bring some more precipitation south. Most of this, because it's May, is going to go up in the plains. That's where the big fight between the Canadian cold air and the Gulf moisture is going to occur. And as we go further and further out, and it tries to linger some more stuff around us. And of course then, as we get further out, see where we at now, the 14th of May. These computer models can go out quite a bit. It doesn't mean this is what's going to happen. And as one guy I listen to on YouTube here says, it's like, this is not a forecast. I mean, people take it almost as if this is what's going to happen, but it's like, no, this is not what necessarily is going to happen. But you will get the trends. I know that if I had pulled up the CPC outlook, that it would show going into days 8 through 14, so 2 weeks from now, it would probably show that we are above normal precipitation. Actually, I looked at it this morning at one point. So, I mean, that's one of the reasons why you are seeing this, although we have a low chance for it right now, but it is a chance that is going, it's not around the normal stuff. Okay, well, now that I've got a lot of that kind of done, I am going to do this and troubleshoot my sound system, or issue. I don't know if it's because things are blocking, there's wires in the way, that could be part of it. I have a feeling that there's a little bit of interference coming from something. So, with that, bye-bye.